I am 100% sure na hindi kumbinsido ang presidente.
Impeachment complaint is exactly the same. Once it has been filed, there is a procedure that needs to be followed already. So sabi ko, andyan na tayo, sabi ko kay Kong Sandro, sabi ko sa kanya, the process has already begun. So, it's your duty now to support that process. So do your duty. That's what I told you. Do your duty. You have to support the process. You are constitutionally mandated to carry out that process. And you are a congressman, so do your duty. That's what I told you. I didn't know you'd be the first to sign.
Well, katulad po sa sinabi ng ating Pangulo ay nung nagpirmahan na sa impeachment complaint ay tinanong ko siya kung ano bang advice niya. And tama naman yung sinabi niya. He said, do your duty as a congressman and uphold your oath to the Constitution that you swore to protect. And it's my constitutional duty to go through the impeachment process as an elected representative. Now, as to why I was the first one to sign, alangan naman kung sasabihin ng tao na gusto nilang huhukayin yung lolo mo at itapon yung katawan sa West Philippine Sea. Sasabihin niya gusto niyang patayin ang Pangulo at ang First Lady na ang aking magulang at gusto niyang patayin ang Speaker. Ba't naman nagugulat ang tao na pipirma ako dyan? You know, these are statements that can't be taken lightly, especially from someone with such a high position. So, nagtataka na nga ako kung bakit nagulat yung tao. Alangan naman kung sasabihin mo, huhukayin mo lolo ko. Of course, I'll be the first one to sign. That should come as no surprise.